Hey y'all, thanks for joining today. Today we're gonna do some creek fishing. I made a little trip to Walmart, wanted to try some new things, so I bought me a new ultralight from Wally World, and they had a little trout magnet neon kit on sale, so I got that, and I also got a little Rebel kit to show y'all. So we got this trout magnet neon kit. It was on sale for $5, so I figured why not. And then I also got this little Rebel family kit. I know it's pretty good on doing some creek fishing, so I grabbed that. And today we got this B&M Leland's TCB series trout, crappie, and bluegill. Rod is 6'6". It's a 2-piece ultralight. It doesn't say what the line is on it, but it say it'll take 2 to 6 pound test. So we'll see what we can do today. I got a little walk or whatever, so I'll return once I make it down there to this creek. Yeah, so normally I take my little creek backpack or whatever. I got my little lures and stuff and whatnot in here, and my little telescopic pole I keep on it. I just keep this in my truck. So if I come across a creek or whatever I haven't been to, I ain't doing nothing. I can go ahead and get after it. Today it's pretty hot, so I'm just gonna take this, put it in here, and I'm not bringing a bag. I know I'm gonna sweat like crazy today, so but yeah, that's what we're doing. All right, let's see what we can get in here. Pretty clear. A whole bunch of look like little bluegills right there. I don't know if you can see them. Little babies. Oh, there we go. Fish on. Yeah. Get on over here. There we go. Real good one. Oh yeah. Not bad at all. Let's see, let me get out this shade. Try to stay in the shade as much as possible today, because it's gonna be in the 90s, and I'm too light skinned to be out here cooking. Saw him running up on it. They're definitely biting today. I'm sure they're trying to stay in this little shaded area. So I'm over on this creek in northeast Oklahoma City. and the homeless population is pretty heavily populated over here. Little urban outdoorsmen. Usually, most of them are nice people, but some of them deal with a lot of mental issues, so kind of never know what to expect. So I usually try to make sure I got some protection on me, because you just never know. I'd rather have it and never need it, and don't have it and need it. You know what I mean? Golly, I keep getting bit right here on this little rock right here, but I can't hook them. Yeah, same spot. There we go. It's a fish on right there. Yeah. There you go. Put that on in. Oh yeah. It's a nice one. Oh yeah. Real pretty. Look at all them colors. Alright, little fella. Dang, cat's really nice. There we go. I didn't let it go. Damn it. Had a fish on. Almost. Let's get back over there. There we go. That's a fish. Ooh, don't fall in. Yeah, good and healthy. You tried to swallow that bad boy, didn't you? Get that back. There you go. Open that mouth. Open that mouth. Oh yeah. Take that. Alright, let's see if we can move around here a little bit. Damn, I don't want to get out of the shade. Let's see. kidding me? There we go. There we go. Fish on. Oh yeah, seems like it's a good one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at those little friends. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That po head, buddy. Oh yeah. A long ear. Golly, pretty, coach. Put that in the sun. Look at that. A long ear. Beautiful fish. Thanks, buddy. Oh yeah. I'm talking about. See, that's the thing about me is I'm all about fishing, and I'll come out here and get on these edges, but I'm not walking in that. I bought some waders thinking that I was gonna, oh, is that a fish on? Oh yeah, we got one. Thinking I was gonna do some wading. Oh yeah, that's a good one. And yeah, nah. Oh yeah, get over here, buddy. He's thick and healthy. Ooh, let me get you up here for you. Drag a little bit. Buddy. Oh, goodness. Ah, get your ass over here. Fat Daddy. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. So back to what I was saying about that wading up in this stuff. Yeah. I ain't got there yet. Maybe one day. I don't know. Something about the melanin in me just is like, no. Stay over here on the edge. Ah. Ooh, goodness gracious, what is that? Oh, this is something. Oh shit, that's a bass. Did y'all see that? Let's see if we can get him in. Ooh. Come on, buddy, get over here. Let's see you over trying to get underneath that edge. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, I know y'all saw that. Ooh. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Creek monster. Bring your ass over here. Nope. Oh yeah. What the fuck I'm talking about? What the hell? Shit. Nah, buddy, you ain't getting away. Fuck. Look at that bad boy. A fucking creek monster. Let me get my little... There you go. Get your ass over there. Look at that. Creek monster. That's what I'm talking about. Great creek fish. Damn. Thank you, buddy. Oh yeah. On the ultralight. That's what I'm talking about. Great fight. Hell yeah. See the little turtle? Little turtle. Oh yeah, that was fun. That's awesome. And they asked why this stuff is addicting. Oh yeah, another one. Oh yeah, fish on. Look, a little bluegill or something. There you go. Hey little buddy. Yeah. Oh yeah, beautiful. Long ear. God, look. Red breast. I gotta get better at identifying these things. But golly, it's pretty. Alright. See if we can do some more moving around. I don't know if I want to move though after catching that bass. A couple more casts right here. We'll move it around. Is that another one? No? No. Oh yeah, I seen him grab it right in front of me. Hell yeah, get your big ass up here. God, they got some monsters in here. What is up? Come on, man, you trying to hook me, huh? Drop my pole. Damn it. Anyway, get that pole in a minute. Look at that. Thickums. All right, then, fat daddy. Damn, that shit all tangled up in there. The walkway, we just got to go up a little bit and go over. Okay. It's easier. It is for me anyway. Might be easier for you on the side. I went through that. I went right there where that deep place is. But that right there in front of you, it looks like it's only like 10 feet fucking deep. Yeah, it's not too bad right here and over there. That's what I'm saying. You might just can walk all the way over there and just step over there. Yeah. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do. That don't look very deep right there. No, it's not at all. There's some bass over there and all that. Go over here. Right here where that end goes. Ah. Over there? Spot. You see the spot right here? Uh-huh. The first spot, there's a bass right underneath it. Ah. Way off. Big ass carp in there too. Oh really? That's right over there. If you walk over there where it's deep right there, you can look down and there's a big carp up there. You can see them right there. Okay. There's a feed right over there in that green part. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Looking at the side of it, it's that carp. There we go. We got one on. Ooh, a big one. Oh yeah, that's another bass. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, a little bass. Oh yeah. Ah. Oh yeah. There you go. A creek bass. Uh-huh. That's what I'm talking about. Oh wow, did I get another one? Are you kidding me? Yes. Get over here. Get behind that rock. Oh yeah, there you go. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, get over here. Shoot, maybe I need to come and stand in the water, cause oh yes. That's crazy. Oh yeah. I'm loving it. Nice little bass. For creek, I'll take that any day. Oh yeah, back to back. Oh yeah, another one. Oh yeah. There we go. Little baby. Fish on. There we go. There we go. Chill out, buddy. Chill out. Boy, them good old Leathermans. Never let me down. There we go. Pretty. Yeah. Long hair. Nice little buddy. Oh yeah, fish on. Is it a decent one? Feel like it. Oh, you got a lot of fight in them. I had a lot of fight in them. You just gave up. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Damn. Golly. That thing is huge. Damn. That's the old trusty Leathermans. Boy, look at that thing. Golly. You've been eating good. But you look like you got a little, I don't know what that is. That's a good one. Boy, they got some monsters in here. Thanks, buddy. Gotta love it, man. I don't get no better than that. Even though I'm out here burning up, gotta love this shit. Feet ain't burning up. Maybe as time goes on, I'll start working my way a little deeper. Oh, what was that? That was nice. That was big, whatever it was. I saw a flash. Okay, I got that on camera. Let's see if we can get that bitch. There you go. Fish on. I'm not gonna keep that damn Leatherman out. Hell. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Shit. Yep. Keep these damn things out. I have to rip your lip off, man. There we go. I think you can see him. A lot longer. Come on, man. Give me another Big Daddy. No Diddy. There you go. Fish on? Oh yeah. Fish on. Looks like it's a big, good one from here. Maybe. Yeah, it's decent. Just gonna let go. Another good one. Ah. Trying to get me, huh? Yep. Revenge, is that what you want? Yep. Oh. He gone. This is a good one. There you go. Oh yeah, fish on. Ah, was one. Oh yeah, fish on. Maybe not too huge. It's a decent one. Yeah, I'll take that. Oh no. Just try to save your eye, buddy. Shit. Save it. Damn, man. There we go. There we go. Nice. Very nice. All fish on. Well, some of them, like, once they bite it, oh shit, I ain't had shit. Some of them, though, it's like once they bite it, they just give up. Oh, well, shit. Doing this for y'all. Because I normally do not do what I'm doing now. It's a little uncomfortable because I'm not used to it, but it is a lot faster than trying to climb up them rocks and that. Fish on. There we go. There you go. Relax, buddy. Relax. Nice. Take them all day. Oh yeah, another one on. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Just like the last one. Finally made it. The hell? Oh yeah, that's a bass. Uh-huh. Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Nice little bass. Yeah. All right. So we can get a bigger one. Oh boy, it's 88 degrees. Probably stay over here a few more minutes. Take it to the house. Look like I've been swimming on the top end, drenched. Oh yeah, you got another one? Bring them in. Oh, get in here. Ooh, all right, let's see. There we go, yeah. Get on in here. There we go. Oh, yeah. Good day. Good freaking day. you go. Take that. Nice creek bass. Boy, beautiful day. It was just the high 70s. That's all right though. I'll take it. See if we can get us 2-3 more fish, and depending on what they look like, we might call it good. Yeah, so back on this rod, like I said earlier, I really like it. I would definitely be using this more often. It's real smooth, light. I like it. What was that? I know it's a Big Daddy in here somewhere. No Diddy. I wish I can get further down there, but that ain't gonna happen. Today it ain't. I must have a little panfish. Oh yeah, there we go. Fish on. I don't know what it is though. See, how I told you, see, they just bite and then they'll give up. Now he might put on a little more bite. There it goes. Big too. Get over here. Please. Motherfucker. There you go. Nice fish. Oh. That last one might have been our last one. Oh, there we go. Looks like we got a little one on there. Oh, it looks pretty. Oh, oh God, it's biggin'. What have you been eating? I heard that. Look at that bowhead. Chill out, buddy. You ain't going nowhere. Yeah. Yeah, end the day with that. I'll take it. Long ear, pretty. All right, let's take it to the house. Hey man, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me today on this little creek adventure. Guess I'll see y'all on the next one. Dad bod.